Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth device forget setting in Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to forget guys any Bluetooth device. Friends, I have connected guys my Bluetooth headphone, and guys I want to forget this Bluetooth headphone to my Oppo phone. So how can I forget, and how can you forget today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we forget Bluetooth headphone to Oppo phone. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, click on guys your phone Bluetooth setting. So when which headphone, and once you have connected any Bluetooth device, so once right side tap here, once you can see guys your device name. So guys you will click on this device name. So once you want to change your device name, so then you can change from here if you want. So friends, you can see unpair option means forget guys, tap here. After forget guys, we cannot use guys our Bluetooth headphone. If we use, so guys we will have to connect again, we will have to pair again guys. You can see guys this notification. So like that guy we can forget Bluetooth headphone to our Oppo phone, and guy we will offer Bluetooth settings. So like that guy we can forget it. So that's it guy, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.